Good morning, friendos. Happy Tuesday. Thank you for joining me and King T'Challa as we dive back into math and continue our work with counting the value of coins. You all have been doing a really nice job of using the 4 coins that we've introduced during this week and the last. Our largest being the quarter, a value of 25 cents. The next, our smallest of the 4, our dime, with a value of 10 cents. Our medium-sized silver coin, the nickel, a value of 5 cents. And our copper coin, the penny, with a value of 1 cent. As we've discussed these different coins, we've described how we can count their values together by using a little bit of our skip counting skills. Yesterday, we focused on 3 different skip counting patterns: counting by 1, counting by 5s, and counting by 10s. Today, we're going to have another opportunity to practice those skills. I'll start off by skip counting by 1s. My initial value is 53. So from there, I'm just going to continue the pattern by going 1 more. 53 becomes 54. Another 1 makes it 55. And 1 more leads me to 56. Okay? My next pattern allows me to skip count by 5s. Now, when I skip counted by 1s, it was kind of like I was counting pennies. When I'm skip counting by 5s, this is very similar to me counting nickels. Again, I start with my value of 53, and this time I'm going to go 5 more. Well, I know 3 and 5 together makes 8. So here I am at 58. I need to add another 5. This is where my get to 10 and then strategy comes in handy. I know I can add 2 more to get to the next 10, 60, and then another 3. Here I am at 63. I'll add 5 again. Hey, I've got 3 and 5 again. 68. And as I'm looking at patterns, this is an interesting one to see. I had 53, 58, 63, 68. By using my patterns, I might see some numbers starting to repeat. It's kind of what patterns are all about. Last but not least, let's use our skip counting by 10s. When it comes to my coins, this is very similar to me counting dimes. Starting with that value of 53, from there I will go to 63, 10 more, 73, and up to 83. Okay? So we're going to set up one more here for us so that you all will have a chance to practice, just like we did yesterday, of finishing my patterns so that we can become really good at skip counting, which we know will help us when it comes time to counting our actual coins. And this time through, we're going to start with the value of 47. Okay? So again, I'm going to fill in the first 2 spaces, leaving that last space for you guys to give me an answer to in a private comment on our assignment. For number 1, we're skip counting by 1s. I start with 47. Next would be 48. 1 more would lead me to 49. And this last space, well, that's for you to tell me. When it comes to skip counting by 5s, again, starting with 47. 5 more. Getting to 10 and then, such a great skill for me to have here. 3 more gets me to 50. 2 more gets me to 52. From there, I add another 5. 2 and 5 together make 7. 57. What will that last number be? Notice the pattern here. 47, 52, 57. Think about that last spot. And last but not least, we'll be skip counting by tens. 47 to start, which would then lead us to 57, 67, and then, well, that you all tell me. So those are the 3 answers that we're looking for. Finishing off our skip counting patterns. For number 4, we have some coins for you all to use. You're going to take a look at these coins, think about their values, and use your skip counting skills to tell me what's the value of all these coins together. Again, in a private comment on this assignment, you will give me these 4 answers. 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you have any questions about this assignment or about this lesson, hit me up in Google Classroom. Send me a message in Class Dojo. Remember, it's okay to have questions. We as teachers are here to help. Otherwise, have fun. I'll talk to you guys soon. And all the way from Wakanda, peace.